Claude just got a major update. And I'm not talking about it writing better emails or helping you with your homework. I'm talking about something that, if you actually use it the right way, can help you build a real income stream completely from scratch. And most people watching this right now are going to completely miss it. Here's the problem. Every time a new AI update drops, you've got two types of people. You've got the people who go, oh wow, cool, watch a few videos and then go back to their 9 to 5. And then you've got the people who actually look at it and think, how do I use this to make money? And that second group, that's the group that actually prints cash. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Claude 4.7 can help you build and sell digital products, even if you've never sold anything online before. And I mean it, even if you're starting completely from zero. My name is Fred, and I've been selling digital products online for years now. My record is making over $5,000 in only 48 hours. And I'm talking about cash hitting my bank account, not revenue, not gross. And the profit margins on digital products, they're insane. We're talking somewhere around 95 to 98% in profit. Why? Because you make the product once and you sell it over and over and over again. There's no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturer to deal with. You could be sitting on a beach in Bali and money is coming in. And right now, with Claude 4.7, the barrier to actually building and selling these products has dropped through the floor. Now, if you want to see the exact system I use to make money with AI and digital products, step by step, I made a completely free course that walks you through the whole thing. I'm not holding anything back. You're going to get every step explained clearly so you can copy it. The link for that is in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and tell you exactly what to do, you can book a free call with me. Again, the link for that is in the description as well. Look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Fred, there's a million people already selling digital products online. Why would I start now? And I'm going to tell you exactly why. The digital product market is not slowing down anytime soon. In fact, it's growing. We're talking about a market worth hundreds of billions of dollars. And the thing is, the internet keeps getting bigger and bigger. More people come online every single year, especially the new generation. More people are looking to solve problems. More people than ever are willing to pay for a product that saves them time or makes their life easier. And you don't need to be some big brand to get a piece of that. You need a product that solves a problem, a simple funnel, and a way to get traffic. That's genuinely all there is to it. And this is where Claude 4.7 comes in. Because right now, AI can help you do all of that. So let's talk about what actually makes money, because there's a lot of noise out there, especially about AI. People are talking about selling AI prompts, AI services, AI automation, etc. And some of that stuff actually works. But if you want to build a business that makes you money while you sleep, something that scales without you having to take on more clients or do more work, the answer is selling your own digital products. And specifically selling a course built around either a personal brand or a faceless one. Here's why. When you build a personal brand, every piece of content you put out is working for you around the clock. Every YouTube video, every post, every Instagram reel, every email you send is driving people towards something you built once that you can sell infinite times. And the profit margin? It's somewhere around 95 to 98%. Because there's nothing to manufacture and nothing to ship. You make the course once and it pays you over and over and over again. Now, really hear this. If you haven't started because you don't want to show your face on camera, that excuse is gone. With AI right now, you can build an AI avatar that looks and sounds like a real person. You can clone a voice. You can run a completely faceless business. You can make your YouTube content, your ads, your funnels, without ever appearing in front of a camera once. I mean, think about that. A few years ago, that wasn't possible. Now, the only thing that was holding you back doesn't exist anymore. So whether you want to build a personal brand, use your face, your voice, your identity, or run a completely faceless business, Claude 4.7 can help you build a product, write the copy, and map out the content strategy. Now, here's where most people mess up. They jump straight into building a product without first checking whether anybody actually wants to buy it. And then they wonder why they've made 0 sales after 3 months. Don't do that. Before you build anything, you need to look at what's already selling. Find people in your niche who are already running a digital product business. Look at their stores, look at their ads, see what products they're pushing. Because if someone is spending money on paid ads to sell something, that means it's working. Nobody spends money on ads or keeps publishing content for a product that doesn't convert. And this is something Claude can help you with too. You can ask it to give you real-life examples of people running the exact business you want to build. You can ask it to break down the top niches inside a category. You can ask it for a step-by-step blueprint customized to what you are doing. It's basically like having a business consultant available 24 hours a day who never gets tired and never charges you. I'm telling you, the information you can pull out of this tool, if you know how to prompt it correctly, is insane. And most people are just using it to write emails. By the way, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, Fred, I get it, but how do I actually put all of this together without getting overwhelmed and giving up after a week? Well, I made a free course that shows you exactly how to do it step by step. You're gonna get the full system: how to find your niche, how to build the product, how to set up the funnel, and how to get traffic without spending a fortune. AI does most of the heavy lifting. And if you want me to help you implement it based on your specific situation, just book a free call with me. Both links are in the description below this video. So why is Claude 4.7 specifically such a big deal for this? Because the quality has gone up, and I mean noticeably. When you ask it to build a spreadsheet system or write a product description or map out your business, the output is cleaner, more accurate, and more detailed than before. The formulas work. The structure makes sense. You're not spending an hour fixing mistakes. And what this means practically is that you can build a product fast enough to actually test it in the market. Speed matters when you're just starting out, and even in general, because the faster you can put something, a product, in front of real people, the faster you find out if it works, if people purchase it. And if it doesn't, you adjust and you try again. That's how every successful online business is built. It's not by planning for 6 months, it's by testing, learning, and moving fast. And with Claude 4.7, the gap between an idea and a finished, sellable product is smaller than it's ever been. And that's not hype. That's literally what I'm seeing with my own eyes. That's what I do every day. Here's the thing. The people who are going to make money from AI are not the people who are most impressed by it. They're the people who actually use it to build revenue streams. You can watch 100 videos about Claude. You can know every feature of every model they've ever released. And if you never actually sit down and start building, none of it matters. Back in 2022, I was selling services online. And at some point, I made a decision to stop trading my time for money and start building something that could scale without me. And that is what changed everything. You've got a tool right now, Claude 4.7, that can actually walk you through building an entire business from zero. You've got a market, digital products, that's growing and profitable and doesn't require you to be tied to any location. Now the only thing left is, what are you gonna do with it? Look, if you're serious about this, about making money online with AI, don't just close this tab and move on to the next video. Because that's what most people do. And most people are still stuck in the same job they hate 2 years from now. I made a free course that shows you exactly how I make money with AI and digital products step by step so you can copy the whole thing. It's 100% free. And none of it is theory, it's the actual system. You can grab it by clicking on the link in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your situation, your niche, your idea, your business, and tell you exactly what to do, book a free call with me. I don't take that many calls, so spots go really quickly. Everything is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.